EHS Academy for Doosan Enerbility's global construction sites. 27th topic, safety standards for cargo truck access ladders. Let's review the installation standards for cargo truck access ladders. A dedicated ladder for the cargo truck's cargo bed must be provided. Design the ladder to be detachable, ensure visibility to clearly mark the ladder's location, and require workers using it to wear air vests. Let's examine accident and improvement cases for lacking an access ladder. Without a proper access ladder, workers often slip or fall trying to climb onto the cargo bed, leading to serious injuries or industrial accidents. Cargo truck access ladder safety standards. Remember these key points. Doosan safety standards require a dedicated, detachable access ladder for cargo truck beds with enhanced visibility. And workers on the cargo bed must wear air vests for fall protection.